Carnival Cruise Line just announced some crazy news featuring new ships, fleet enhancements, and exclusive destinations. Get ready for the 5th Excel class ship, the Carnival Tropicale, and the opening of Celebration Key. Stay tuned as we dive into the newest Carnival Cruise news and more. Carnival Cruise Line President Christine Duffy made some exciting news that was released April 6, 2025. As soon as I saw the announcement, I wanted to make this video so you all can be updated first. Carnival outlined its strategic plans for the next 5 years with the introduction of its innovative itinerary that focuses on 3 core areas: sailing the most fun fleet at sea, creating compelling experiences and destinations, and building more Carnival loyalists. Duffy provided details on new ships, deployment changes, fleet enhancements, and exclusive destination updates. New ships. Just days ago, in March 2025, Carnival relaunched 2 ships brought over from P&O to sail in Australia with the Adventure and Encounter. Now Carnival has 29 ships in total. The 4th ship in the newest and biggest Excel class will be the Carnival Festivale, launching spring 2027, sailing from Port Canaveral, Florida. Check out the link in the description if you want to be one of the first to sail on her. The Festivale will be different than other Excel class ships and debut 3 brand new zones. There will be a music theme zone, another zone inspired by creating music, cutting edge media, interactive moments, and immersive sound, as well as an energetic music performance vibe zone. Carnival is replacing Family Harbor staterooms with 1,000 interconnected rooms. They are also replacing the Bolt Seacoaster with an expanded Waterworks Ultra with 6 water slides. Additionally, there will be new dining options and replacing ChiBang, but they are keeping Guy's Burger, Pig and Anchor, and Big Chicken. The 5th Excel class will be the Tropicale with a scheduled launch of spring 2028 and will have many of the same features as the Festivale. Looking out into 2029 and into 2031 are Carnival's newest ship class, currently called Project Ace, with 3 huge ships at 230,000 gross tons, featuring more than 3,000 cabins for a whopping 8,000 guests at full capacity. Duffy says these will be the next generation of fun ships. Deployment updates. When the Carnival Festivale joins the fun in spring 2027, the Mardi Gras will start offering short cruises from the same Port Canaveral home port. Duffy explains that these short cruises will allow guests who do not have time to take a week-long vacation or more will still be able to experience the biggest and newest Excel class ships. Carnival will also return to year-round operations from Mobile, Alabama in spring 2027. Potentially a larger Conquest class ship may move to Baltimore 2027 that will accommodate 1,000 more guests than the current Carnival Pride. Guest experience updates. Carnival is looking to update the guest experience on existing ships. Some changes will include decor modernization, new beverage dining, and entertainment experiences drawing from the newer Excel class ships. Loyalty. Without going into more details, Duffy teased that this summer 2025 announcements will be made enhancing the VIFP loyalty program that will go into effect 2026. What do you think the changes will be? I am really curious about what's going to happen. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Destinations. Finally, Carnival made announcements about their exclusive destinations, starting with Celebration Key that will be opening this July 2025, offering the ultimate day in paradise. 20 Carnival ships from 10 home ports will be traveling here with 1,400 sailings already for sale. Relax Away at Moon Cay will also receive an expansion, an additional pier to support Excel class and Project Ace class ships will allow for these larger ships. These destination enhancements are scheduled for summer 2026 through the end of the year. Also coming up in 2026 is Mahogany Bay that will be renamed to Isla Tropicale and be expanded to include a pool with swim-up bar and cabanas. Future enhancements will include an expanded beach and beach club. And that's it for Carnival Cruise News. If you enjoyed this video, check out this next video.